Alright guys, we're back. It's been a couple of days. I went ahead off camera and got the cover tightened down. They recommend like 24 hours on the silicone. It was at least a couple of days there. So I went ahead and tightened that down, got the spark plug put back in rather. Got to put the cover on and hook the fuel line back up, and we'll see if she runs. So let's get started. Alright, and I do want to check the oil. Remember we lost a little bit when we took the cover off. And not enough to matter. I know what you're going to say. You're not supposed to run them when they're not hooked up to water. And you're not, but I just want to see if she's going to do what she's supposed to do before we go to all that trouble. So let's see what we got. There you go. We know it runs. Not the important part since it's a pressure washer. So I'm going to get set up outside. Excuse me. I bought an old raggedy Chevrolet truck the other day that it's nasty. So I'm going to get it set up outside, and we'll see if it'll knock some ugly off of that thing. So give me a minute. Be right back. All right. Got set back up. I'm not sure how well that's going to show up on camera, but the whole side of that truck is just nasty. So let's get her fired up and see if she'll pump some water. So there you go. Turns out there's a white truck under there. That hiccuping at the beginning there, that was the that was air in the water hose. Just had to get all that pushed out. But yeah, all in all, I mean, it seems to run smooth. It's got really good pressure. It's actually a lot better than the other Honda pressure washer I have. So looks like I did all right on it. That was kind of interesting. Turned out to not be what I thought it was, but it's always cool to learn something new. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna cut this one short. Like I said, if you got anything out of it, I'd appreciate you throwing me a like, maybe subscribing. Got a couple things planned. I think the next thing I'm gonna do, I found an old go-kart the other day. Drug it out of the woods. The guy said it had been at his house for 6 months. He bought it to fix up and never did anything with it. So I took it off his hands, and that one will be fun because I've never worked on a go-kart in my life. Ridden a few, but never owned one. And this one is just, there's nothing but a frame there, so it'll be cool to see what we can turn it into. But anyway, guys, thanks again. Appreciate you hanging out with me. I'll get that next one out just as quick as I can. See you next time.